Second day in Seoul, Korea. Let's go! Guys, good morning! Second day namin sa Seoul. So now, pupunta muna ako ng convenience store para bumili lang ng breakfast. It's our second day here in Seoul, Korea. And nandito pa rin kami sa Myeongdong. And let's check kung ano mga gagawin namin today.
Cathedral, Catholic Cathedral. Yung Hanok Village. Di ba, Gam? Are you excited?
Oo.
Excited.
Welcome to Seoul Cathedral. This cathedral is a Roman Catholic church. Come on guys, let me show you to the heart of the cathedral. Lunchtime! Today, I'm taking you to a beautiful journey through time here at Bokchon Hanok Village.
Drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my...
Dahil nasahan kami ng Gyeongbokgung Palace, we decided na dito na lang mag-picture sa labas ng palace. Palace is open until 5 PM lang and dumating kami, lampas na sa 5 PM. So, please take note yung time para hindi rin masayang yung punta nyo here. Nadaanan namin ng Roof Cafe and sobrang nakyutan kami and nag-crave kami sa mga dessert nila dahil mukhang masarap. We tried this cafe and panalo ang dessert nila. Hindi nakakaumay ang kanilang cheesecake. Dinner time! We wrap up our day with some tasty samgyeopsal here in Myeongdong.
蓝色的天，对青色多印颗星照片，要平和我们在最亮眼，夜晚的银河为你装点。我偏偏为你，我就想要写一首歌，赶走寒风雪，想要练的浪潮，用笔雕刻，誓言难冻结。